Welcome back to the students with how to find the lone pair of electrons. So in this, we are supposed to by heart the group number and the respective elements in the particular group. Already I given in the first video, that is how to say this. For example, first A means lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. I mean given hydrogen on the top. Highly like nasty kids, that cats for. And for a second, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium, big marriage, cancer, badam rasam. And birds all can gather in total boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, and thallium. Chemistry, sir, gives standard problems. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, and lead. Nitrogen, never people as simple biryani. That nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Other students say teachers are problem. So oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, and fluorine, and halogens. Fish cannot breathe in air. Fish, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and the helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. He never argue Kiran, xenon. I mean, excites Ron. Like that, I said all the groups to memorize and easily we can recall all the elements. First, I have chosen this first element. First A lithium, second A beryllium, third A boron, fourth A C carbon, fifth A nitrogen, and sixth A oxygen, seventh A fluorine, eighth A is all neon, I mean inert gases, and the electronic configuration, general electronic configuration, generally for this NS1. So I have written for lithium 2S1, 2S2 for beryllium, boron 2S2, 2P1, and carbon 2S2, 2P2, nitrogen 2S2, 2P3, oxygen 2S2, 2P4, fluorine 2S2, 2P5, neon 2S2, 2P6, because the atomic number is 1, 1 only increases. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is the atomic number. And the valence shell, the electrons of field is called valence electron. The valence electron is 1, 2, and here 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 3, 5, 2 plus 4, 6, 2 plus 5, 7, 2 plus 2, 6. Now we are going to calculate valency. That is, the first 4 groups, consider the valence electron as a valency itself. Then from 5th group to 8th group, take the number of noble gas, that is stable electronic configuration of neon, not only for neon, argon, krypton, xenon, everything having the valence electron is 8. You take as a role model of the inert gases electronic configuration 8 and minus the group number. That we can easily find out the valency. So here 5th group 8 minus 5. Number 3 is the valency of all the elements are present in the nitrogen. Whereas in 6th group for oxygen, 8 minus 6 equal to 2 is the valency of oxygen family. 8 minus 7 equal to 1 is the valency of halogen family. Then 8 minus 8 equal to 0 is the inert gases family. So what? They are all a zero valency or a monoatomic elements. So now we will see the rules first. So first you by heart this one. First find the valence electron of the central atom. Only for the central atom you should write the valence electron. The atoms are surrounded by this central atom, we should calculate the valency. So valency of surrounding atoms, I mean combine according to the combining power of the elements. For example, oxygen valency is 2. So it acquires 2 electron will be shared here. Then hydrogen only 1 electron will be shared to the central atom. So let us see the example. So in one shot we can find out the number of bond pair as well as lone pair. So group number 1A to 8A, and general electronic configuration I have written here NS1, NS2, and for 3 NS2 and NP1, and for 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A, 8A, NS2 is common. And here from third period, third year onwards, NP1 and fourth year NP2, fifth year NP3, sixth year NP4, seventh year NP5, eighth year NP6. So the valence electron means these are the valence shell. So the total number of electron in valence shell is only 1. So that is valence electron. And here only 2. And here 2 plus 1, 3 electrons. 2 plus 2, 4 electrons. 2 plus 3, 5 electrons. 2 plus 4, 6 electrons. 2 plus 5, 7 electrons. 2 plus 6, 8 electrons. These are called as a valence shell electron. So in valence shell electron, the number of electrons present in the shell, the valency. So now we are supposed to see first year, second year, third year, fourth year, up to 4 group of valence electron and valency are same. And fifth year, sixth year, seventh year, and eighth year, that valency is we have to subtract the 8 from the number of groups. So that is 3, 2, 1, and 0. So here already we saw that. Let us see the example. Several examples, when you see only, we can identify how to say the lone pair and bond pair. And even not only these are neutral molecule. Now we are going to see the negatively charged molecule as well as the positively charged. So let us see the first one, PCl3. Phosphorus is underlined here. This is a central atom. The central atom, we should see the valency electron. So that valence of electron of phosphorus is 5 because it belongs to 50A group, nitrogen family. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electrons have written valence electron. And here that chlorine, 3 chlorine is linked with this. So here X is linked with the 1 chlorine and this X is linked with another chlorine and 3 chlorine is linked and left out 2 electrons. So that is called lone pair electron. These are called as a bond pair electron. So there are 3 bond pair and 1 lone pair. Next example, ClF3. Cl is a central atom and fluorine is the surrounded atom. So what a chlorine is a central atom, the valence electron is 7 because it belongs to 7th E, halogen family. So that 7 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 have written and 3 fluorine is combined with this. So 1 fluorine, 2 fluorine, 3 fluorine because the valency of fluorine is 1. So what 1, 1 it is combined. So what 3 bond pair and here 1, 2 electron is considered as a 1 lone pair. Here 1 and here 1. So totally 2 lone pair of electrons. Now we will see the water H2O. So oxygen is the central atom surrounded by 2 hydrogen. Valency of hydrogen is, combining power of hydrogen is only 1. So oxygen valence electron is 6 because it belongs to 60A. So here 6 electron I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons. So in this 6 electron, 2 hydrogen is combining. So valency is 1. So 1, 2. So the bond pair, this is called bond pair. Bond pair is 2 and lone pair is 2. Next example, I3 minus. This question is very, very important because we are supposed to write only in this manner. I, bond I, bond I, and top minus. So the central atom first supposed to be chosen. So this is I. The I valence electron is 7 because this is also belongs to halogen family. So 7th A group. So but the charge is minus 1. So we should add 1 electron. So what 7 electron plus 1 electron, that is 8 electrons. So I have written this green color or belongs to iodine electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But this minus 1 I have written in a red color. So totally 8 electrons are there. It left out 2 iodine. This iodine and this iodine, 2 iodine is combined with this. Iodine combining power is only 1 because the valency is 1. So it is 1, 1. So this is bond pair and this is second bond pair. So 2 bond pair, 1 lone pair, second lone pair, third lone pair. So 3 lone pair. Next example, SO4 2 minus. S is the central atom. So this valence electron is 6 because even this also belongs to 6th family, oxygen family, 6th group. So that I have written oxygen sulfur 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is a valence electron. But the charge is 2 minus, so I should add 2 electrons. So I have written in this color, 1 and 2 is the charge. But oxygen valency is 2. So what? 2 electrons are combining with 1 oxygen. 2 electrons are combining with second oxygen. 2 electron is combining with third oxygen. 2 electrons are combining with the fourth oxygen. So here it is all sigma bond. 1, 2, 3, 4 single bond. 4 sigma bond. There is no lone pair electrons. Clear, students? Now we will see NH4 plus. So in this central atom is nitrogen. The nitrogen valence electron is 5 because this is a 50A group. Nitrogen family, the first member of the family is nitrogen. So 5 electrons I have written, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the whole charge is, ammonium charge is plus 1. So the charge is plus 1 means we are supposed to remove 1 electron, that is minus electron. I have removed 1 electron. So now I have got 4 electrons. Hydrogen combining power is 1 because the valency of hydrogen is 1. So 1 and second hydrogen, third hydrogen, fourth hydrogen. All the 4 electrons are combined with the 4 hydrogen. So we got a 4 bond pair and no lone pair electrons. Next example, BF3. Boron valence electron equal to 3 because it is belongs to third A group. So 1, 2, 3 and fluorine valency is only 1. So 1 X and I mean this are combined with the 1 fluorine, second fluorine, third fluorine. So no electron at all. So only 3 bond pair, no lone pair. Next XeO3. At last I'll give you homework. You just work out and see. XeO3 xenon. XeO3 Xe is a xenon. So xenon belongs to 8A group. That is the valency is 8 electrons. That valence electron is 8. So the valency is 0 only. But xenon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons are there. So the oxygen valency is a 2 valency. So the combining capacity is 2 electrons. So these 2 with the 1 oxygen and these 2 with second oxygen, these 2 with the third oxygen. So what it left out 1 lone pair. It has only 1 lone pair of electrons. So XeOF4. So xenon valence electron is 8. So I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So to this 4 fluorine is combining. The valency of fluorine is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1 oxygen. But oxygen valency is 2. Combining power is 2. So what 2 electron is taken out from the xenon for 1 oxygen. So it has taken 2 electron. So it left out 1 lone pair of electrons. So totally it has a 5 sigma bond and 1 lone pair of electrons. Then last one is ICl2 minus. I is a central atom. The valence electron is 7 because it belongs to halogen family. That is 7th A group. So 7 electron it carries. The charge is minus 1. So we should add 1 electron. So first I will write a valence electron of iodine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this minus 1 is charge of the electron. So here only 2 chlorine is there. So what the 2 chlorine is combined with this XCl and this Cl. So what we got a 2 bond pair electrons and 1 lone pair, second lone pair and third lone pair. 3 lone pair of electrons are there. So now I'll give you the test to you to find the maximum number of lone pair of electrons in the following XeF2 and XeF4 and XeF6. Among these 3, which has a highest lone pair of electron, you find out and see. In the next class, I will give you the solution. Thank you, students.